everyone, it's Tammy and I have another unboxing from Grove Collaborative. Seems like they're coming a little faster than I expected, but I am excited because I actually need, well not need, but I have given some of my spray cleaner away and I'm excited to have some more because I know that I got some because I get some every time. I love this spray cleaner. Let me move those, and I'm going to put this over here. Okay, so I got some more of these wool dryer balls. I really like them, and they were having a sale on them, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and grab them and have them so that I can replace the ones that I have. I think it says 6 months, every 6 months is their recommended replacement for those. So I thought, well, you know what, I like to have things on hand. I've always been like that. If I'm buying mouthwash or something, for example, I always buy two, one for now and one for when I run out. And then when I open my second bottle is when I order another one. So I have just always been like that, and that's what I like to do. So this is fabric softener. This is Mrs. Meyer's fabric softener, and it is in the Honeysuckle scent. So let's smell this and see how this is. Ooh, that smells really good. I like that a lot. And this does 32 loads, so you just put an ounce in each load. And this one is 7th generation fabric softener. This is free and clear, sensitive skin. I really don't know why I bought both of these, but yeah, there's like no scent in that. That one doesn't really excite me. I don't know why I got that, but apparently I did. And I have the 7th generation laundry stain remover. This removes tough stains and it's made for sensitive skin. 0% dyes and fragrance. So I think that will be good for any sort of stains or anything like that. And I have the Honeysuckle laundry detergent. So this is all Mrs. Meyer's. I like that they package these separately. I can kind of see that this might have a little bit on it. So let's just smell this too. Yeah, that's a very nice scent. I like that a lot. And here is my multi-purpose everyday cleaner. I love this stuff. This is also in the Honeysuckle smell or scent. I bet I won't have to even smell it. Yes, because it smells the same as the others and it smells really good. I think that you guys will like this. It's crisp and clean and a little bit floral, but not very much. Just very nice. I also have laundry detergent packs. I'm kind of stocking up on some of this stuff for my kids who are going away to college too. And what is this? Oxy Booster packs. Whitens, brightens, and lifts stains. So use detergent as you normally would. Add an Oxy Booster pack to drum of washer before adding clothes. Use 1 pack for lightly soiled or 2 packs for heavily soiled. So that'll be interesting. I've not used that before. And then the last thing I have, and I think I got this as a free gift, I think this is the last thing, I better check, is the Lavender Candle. And this is a 35-hour burn time, and it's a soy candle. And it smells amazing. I love it. Oh my goodness, that smells good. I'm just going to double check. Sometimes they put like little lip glosses and things in, and I don't know, but I don't want to lose it. Get all those out and that out. And there's my empty box. Whew. Okay, so I guess I got a laundry haul is kind of what I got. Everything is for the laundry except for the candle, but yeah, it's very nice. too. I haven't had any of their candles. It's pretty strong. I'm pretty excited about it. I can't wait to see how the throw is on these, especially since I just got some Yankee candles too. So this will be interesting. Now I think I have another box of stuff coming from Grove Collaborative, and if I do, I will do another haul just so you guys can see what I've gotten then. But yeah, I'm excited. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys check out Grove Collaborative. There is a $10 coupon that if you sign up under somebody, then you can get a discount, and I will try to figure out how to do that and put that link below. But I know that there are a lot of YouTubers that are affiliates with it or whatever, and will do that, and I will put my information below if I can get that for you and include it, because I'd love for you guys to sign up. And I think if you sign up, we both get $10. So I get $10 to spend at Grove, and you also get $10 to spend. So pretty cool. Or you might get a free set of something. I don't know. It depends on whatever their special is. But it's pretty neat. So I wish you guys the best, and take care, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. I gotta do laundry.